In the last class, we discussed about financial institutions and its roles. Now, we are going to discuss about different types of financial institutions. Types of financial institutions. Financial institutions broadly classified into two categories: banking institutions and non-banking institutions. So, first one is banking institution. Banking institutions are again classified into organized banking institutions and unorganized banking institution. Then non-banking institutions are also classified into organized non-banking institutions and unorganized non-banking institutions. Then now first we are going to discuss banking institutions. Banking institutions we can classify organized banks and unorganized banks. So there are two types of banking institutions: organized banking institutions and unorganized banking institutions. Organized banking institutions. Organized banking institutions are well-structured institutions and they are purely under the control of Reserve Bank of India and our central government. But in the case of unorganized banking sector, they are not under the control of Reserve Bank of India. So, organized banking sector includes two categories of banks. The first one is commercial banks and the second is cooperative banks. So, the first one is and the second is cooperative bank. So, these are the two categories of institutions included in organized banking sector. So, first we are going to discuss about commercial banking institutions. So, commercial banks. Commercial banks are ordinary banking institutions and they are useful to identify the pulse of public. These banks are directly interact with public. So, its main functions are providing financial assistance and accept deposit from the public. So, the functions of commercial banks broadly classified into two categories: conventional functions and innovative functions. So, the functions of commercial banks divided into conventional functions and innovative functions. Conventional functions are the main functions. They are useful for the smooth functioning of commercial banks. So, the conventional functions of a commercial bank divided into functions of commercial banks are primary functions and secondary functions. They are included in conventional functions. Primary functions are accepting deposit from public, lending loans and advances to the public, investments of funds. Investment of fund means investing surplus funds to government securities. Then credit creation. Credit creation means accepting deposit from the public and lending loans and advances to the public. At that time, it helps to create money, that is known as credit creation. And use of check system and plastic cards. These are the important primary functions. In addition to the primary functions, the commercial bank also performs certain secondary functions. So, the secondary functions mainly divided into two categories: agency services and general utility services. Agency services means the bank function as an agent, and general utility services means certain kinds of public services. The main kind of agency services are collection of dividends from different companies, purchase of securities, etc. These are the examples for agency services conducted by a commercial bank. Then general utility services are the services relating to the public. That means bank provide locker facilities, issuing bank overdraft facilities, issuing travelers checks, etc. These are general utility services. So these two services are mainly including in secondary functions. So the main conventional functions are primary and secondary. In addition to the conventional functions, a commercial bank performs innovative functions also. Innovative functions are the most modern functions performed by a commercial bank. That is the most innovative function or most modern functions. The main examples for innovative functions are the bank provide ATM facilities, automatic teller machine facilities, debit card facilities, credit card facilities, RTGS facilities, etc. So these are the most innovative function. Internet banking facilities, tele-banking facilities. These all are the examples for innovative functions. So today's class we discussed about commercial banks. Commercial banks are the most important banking institutions in organized sector. Commercial banks' main functions are conventional functions and innovative functions. Conventional functions mainly divided into primary and secondary. Innovative functions are the most modern functions performed by commercial bank such as ATM facilities, credit card, debit card, RTGS facilities, etc.